Understanding your child is one of the most important things that you should learn as a parent. It is very helpful in becoming effective and guiding and nurturing your child as they grow and mature. You need to bear in mind that your child has a unique personality trait that remains consistent throughout life. One of the ways you can understand your child is by observing them as they sleep, eat, or play. Look for the consistent traits. Which activities do they like best? Is adjusting to changes easy for them, or do they need time to become familiar with these things? These things are the normal characteristic of a child, and your child may not be an exception. As much as possible, have time to talk to your children, as this is crucial to gaining information and understanding. In the case of young children, they require less verbal language and more facial expression and body language in order to understand their thoughts and feelings. Asking them questions will allow them to share their feelings to you. For example, rather than asking them what they did in school, ask them what they built with their books blocks today. Instead of asking them if they played with their playmates, focus on the game they played. Another way of understanding your child is by talking and looking at their environment in order to learn about a certain behavior that you have observed. Relatives, children care providers, friends, teachers, and the community, the home settling, and other aspects of the environment can play a crucial role in the behavior of your child. For example, if your child is showing aggressiveness towards other children at school, you may want to find out all the possible sources of their aggressive behavior. Aggressive here means angry behavior. Some possible angles would be their association with another child who is showing aggressive tendencies as well. The environment at home is another possible source of such behavior. Have there been conflicts and arguments at home lately that was seen by your child? What about in the community? These are some angles that you should consider while trying to find the reason behind your child's aggressive behavior. In addition, you can learn about your child by observing other children belonging to the similar age group. You can check out our recommended books and browse our sites for lots of tips and in-depth knowledge on child development. Bear in mind that you went through the same stage as a child, so more or less the behavior of children in that same age would be similar. However, the speed of development through each stage is a personal thing. By understanding your child's development, you will be able to provide them with opportunities as well as toys that can boost their development and prepare them for the next phase of their growth. At the same time, you, as a parent, would be able to set expectations and limits that are acceptable to your child. Being a responsible parent is hard, especially in this day and age when parents spend more time working rather than being with their kids. Quality time is difficult to achieve when you are trying to juggle your time between corporate life and parenthood. Not many people achieve success in parenthood, as this could be frustrating on your part. Understanding your child is one effective way of becoming successful in the art of parenting. So, this was the topic on parenting, how parents should understand the behavior of the child, and on the basis of that, they must help the child to become a good student, a good child, a good friend, and a good classmate, playmate, so that children can gel together in the different environments that a child comes across.